pregnant.
I don't think that actually got us.
We're gonna have a baby. There's a plus. We found out on our 5-year anniversary that we're gonna have our first baby. Can you smile with me? Alright, let's turn it off.